Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can recover your Roblox account. So then to recover a Roblox account, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And after that, you need to open up a web browser of your choice. Once you open up a web browser, on the web address bar, type in www.roblox.com. This is gonna take you to the official web page of Roblox. So over here, you need to click on the login button since you want to recover your account. So if you're unable to log in into your account because of some incorrect credential, what you can do is you can simply tap on this link that is forgot password or username. So then you'll be taken to the help center page where you'll be able to see this kind of interface such as enter your email to reset your password. Over here, you need to provide in your registered email address. As soon as you're done entering your email address, click on the submit button. You can also use your phone number instead of your email address. Either way, the procedure will remain the same. Now an email with an instruction has been sent. Open up your Gmail or log in into your account. After that, you can see here I have a reset password link. So all you need to do is just tap on the email and then you need to click on reset password, and this is going to take you to the page where you'll be able to make changes with your password. So now type in a new password, and then in order to confirm it, you need to type in twice. After that, you've successfully reset your password, and on the other page, you need to log in into your account with the updated information. In this way, you can recover your Roblox account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.